hands cover up, hands side, hands up, clap, hands side, hands back, steady, attention, steady, attention. Now all of it be ready for our school song. Hands cover up, hands side, hands up, hands side, hands down, steady, attention, steady, attention. Now I would like to request the speaker to deliver a speech.
Everyone, good morning to Honorable Principal Sir, Vice Principal Sir, teachers, brothers, sisters, and my dear friends. As you all know, it's me, Mohammed from grade 7, standing in front of you to say about my memorable day. Life is full of memories. Some memories in life are good and some are bad. Everyone has a special memory that they will never forget. The most memorable day of my life was the day of Christmas. Christmas is the most important festival for Christians. That day I woke up early in the morning and take a bath and I go to the church. I saw there the pantry was fully decorated. I met there with my friends and seeing some programs. After I exchanged gifts with each other and That was my memorable day. Thank you.
माननीय प्रधान अध्यापकज्यू, सभा प्रधान अध्यापकज्यू, गुरुवर्ग तथा मेरा प्यारा साथीहरू, म कक्षा 9 को छात्र बिन बलामी आज कथा भन्न गइरहेका छौँ। मेरो कथाको शीर्षक रहेछ मानिसको वर्ग। लामो समय अगाडि एउटा गाउँ थियो। त्यो गाउँमा दुई वर्गको जातिको मानिसहरू बसोबास गर्थे। ठुलो जातको मानिसहरूले सानो जातको मानिसहरूलाई हेप्थे। सानो जातको मानिसहरूले छोएको पानी पनि खाँदैनथ्यो। एक दिनको कुरा हो, सानो जातको मानिस राम नामक व्यक्ति आफ्नो खेत हेर्न जाँदै गर्ने क्रममा उसले बाटोमा एउटा बुढो मानिस लडेको भेटाए। त्यो बुढो मानिस ठुलो जातको मानिस थियो। उसले केही नसोचिकन त्यो बुढो मानिसलाई अस्पतालमा लग्यो। उसले सही समयमा अस्पतालमा लगेका हुनाले उसको ज्यान बच्यो। बुढो मान्छेको छोराले उसलाई धन्यवाद गर्यो र त्यो समयदेखि सानो जातको नाममा मानिसहरूलाई भेदभाव गर्न थालेन। हामीले यो कथाबाट मानिस ठुलो दिदले हुन्छ जातले हुँदैन भन्ने बारेमा प्रेरणा प्राप्त गर्दछु। धन्यवाद हजुरहरूको दिन शुभ होस्।
Warm good morning to Honorable Vice Principal Sir, teachers, brothers, sisters and my dear friends. As you all know, it's me Sonima Moharjan from grade 8 standing in front of you to say a story. Once there was a lion roaming in the jungle in search of a prey. Luckily, he saw a rabbit sleeping under a tree. He was delighted to get a meal with no effort at all. The lion was about to spring at the sleeping rabbit when he caught sight of a deer passing by. He thought of going for a bigger prey as it would be a nice meal. So he chased the deer but failed to overtake. He gave up the attempt and returned to the place where the rabbit was sleeping. Reaching there, the lion saw that the rabbit was no longer there, and it was very difficult for the lion to search another prey. The moral of the story is excess of desire is harmful. Thank you.
And squirrels, and sight, and soft, and sight, and sound. Standing attention, standing attention. Now I would like to call our Vice Principal to give some attention.
Thank you very much, Susmita. Cover up, and sight, and up, and side, and down. Studied it. Attention. Studied it. So they have brought very lovely memories and stories as well. Bian Balani, he brought very lovely moral. Manis thulo dille huncha, jatule hudaina. That's right. But whether you are implementing it or not, if you want to have some changes, you have to start from you. You must not finger out to others. We can bring change by changing ourselves. And next story was there, excessive desire is very dangerous. So there must be desire, that's good. But nowadays, many people, they are the victim of diseases. It is also because of excessive desire. They are fond of having those foods which provide them heavy nutrients, and because of nutrients also they suffer. That's why it must be limited. But excessive desire in study is very useful. Excessive desire in research, that is also useful. You can do something new. There is saying, great people don't do different things. They do the things differently. That's why, please try to do the things in different way and grab your destination. So today is Monday, 2018, Phalgun 21st. Report card of evaluation test. Fourth will be distributed. You might have informed your parents. As usual, focus on studies. Don't distract your mind. So your optimum concentration. Attention. Cover up. And side. And up. Clap together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. Have it louder. Inside. Hands down. Studies. Attention. Math time. Please do it with full interest. Okay, class members, move forward.